Most people know ChatGPT, a large language model you access in the cloud. Running LLMs locally works the same way, but instead of sending your data to remote servers, the model runs directly on your computer. This gives you privacy, control, and the ability to customize it for your own workflows. In this tutorial, we'll focus on Ollama, a tool that makes local LLMs simple to use. Think of it as your personal ChatGPT, but living entirely on your machine. Welcome everyone. Today we'll explore how to run large language models locally using Ollama. This tool makes it simple to bring powerful AI directly onto your own computer. Running models locally has big advantages. Your data stays private, you avoid costly API fees, you can customize models for your needs, and best of all, you can use them even without an internet connection. Ollama is a cross-platform tool for Mac, Windows, and Linux. It uses a simple command-line interface to run models like ChatGPT, Mistral, DeepSeek, and Gemma. It handles downloads, quantization, and GPU acceleration automatically, so you don't have to worry about the technical details. To run Ollama smoothly, you'll need a modern computer. Apple Silicon or NVIDIA GPUs are recommended. Models can take up several gigabytes of storage, and depending on size, you'll want between 8 and 32 gigabytes of RAM. You'll also need internet access for the initial download. Installing Ollama is straightforward. On macOS or Linux, you run a simple curl command in the terminal. On Windows, you just download the installer from Ollama's website. Within minutes, you'll be ready to run your first model. Once installed, running a model is as easy as typing Ollama run llama 2. Ollama will download the model weights if they aren't already cached, and then launch an interactive session where you can start chatting with the model. Ollama supports a variety of models. You can run OpenAI's open-source version of ChatGPT, DeepSeek Coder, or Gemma with a single command. The Ollama library online lists all available models, so you can explore and choose the one that fits your project. Beyond the command line, Ollama offers a user-friendly GUI where you can directly engage with the models. Beyond the command line, Ollama provides a local API at localhost port 11,434. This means you can connect models to apps, scripts, or even your coding environment. For example, you can send prompts from Python and receive responses directly from your local model. Ollama is designed for simplicity. Installation is straightforward, and running a model often requires just a single command. This makes it accessible even for users who aren't deeply technical. Unlike some frameworks that are optimized for one operating system, Ollama works across macOS, Windows, and Linux. This broad compatibility ensures that teams or individuals can adopt it without worrying about platform restrictions. Quantization reduces the size and memory footprint of models, allowing them to run more efficiently on consumer hardware. Ollama handles this automatically, so users benefit from faster performance and lower resource demands without needing to manually configure complex settings. Ollama supports a curated set of models like Ollama, Mistral, DeepSeek, and Gemma. While these cover many use cases, the selection is smaller compared to Hugging Face's vast library. If you need niche or experimental models, Ollama may not have them. Although quantization helps, running very large models such as 70 billion parameters still requires powerful GPUs or high memory systems. Users with modest hardware may need to stick to smaller models. Hugging Face offers a massive community, extensive documentation, and thousands of integrations. Ollama's ecosystem is newer and leaner, meaning fewer third-party tools, tutorials, and community-driven resources. For most users, Ollama strikes a practical balance. It's easy to install, efficient to run, and powerful enough for everyday tasks like drafting, coding assistance, or research. While it may not match Hugging Face in breadth, its simplicity and focus make it an excellent entry point into running LLMs locally. In summary, Ollama is one of the fastest ways to run large language models locally. It's ideal for privacy, prototyping, and customization. Start small, experiment, and then scale up as your needs grow. With Ollama, powerful AI is truly at your fingertips.